Setting up a Trezor cold wallet is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of cryptocurrency security. To begin, first purchase a Trezor device from the official website or an authorized reseller to ensure authenticity and avoid potential scams. Once you have your Trezor device, connect it to your computer using the provided USB cable. Download and install the Trezor Bridge software from the official Trezor website, as this will enable communication between your device and computer. Next, go to the Trezor website and download the Trezor Suite software, which is a user-friendly interface for managing your device and cryptocurrencies. Open the Trezor Suite and follow the prompts to initialize your device. During the initialization process, you will be asked to create a PIN and a recovery seed. The PIN is used to unlock your device, while the recovery seed is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case your device is lost or damaged. It is essential to store the recovery seed in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. After initializing your device, you will be prompted to create an account and add your cryptocurrencies. The Trezor Suite software supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To add a cryptocurrency, simply click on the Add Account button and follow the prompts to generate a new address. Finally, it is essential to update your device regularly to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. The Trezor Suite software will notify you when an update is available, and you can update your device with just a few clicks. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can set up a secure and reliable Trezor cold wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always store your recovery seed in a safe location and keep your device and computer up to date to ensure maximum security.